Brenda Gcukayithobi, chairperson of the foundation. Ngululama Gcukayithobi, lo main founder of the foundation, Gcinabantu Gcukayithobi Foundation. Namhlanje sine charity event. Siqale nge-golf day and then ebusuku sizaba negala dinner. Injongo yethu yale charity event is to make sure that we raise funds so that we can continue with the projects that we have taken up for the past 3 years. This is our 3rd anniversary. This is our 2nd golf tournament, and we have had turnout yabantu from across the country. We have had golfers coming from Johannesburg, golfers coming from across Eastern Cape, golfers coming from towards the Western Cape. So we had quite a number of golfers who have supported us today. So the main purpose for the evening one, which is the gala dinner, that is where we are going to be sharing what the foundation has done in the past year. We are going to be sharing what the foundation is also going to be doing. We are also going to be requesting the people who will be joining us to raise funds together with us. But most importantly, it is the spirit of community, the spirit of unity, and the spirit of ensuring that all of us have our hands on the deck to make sure that the lives of the people of the Eastern Cape are getting better, and they are improved and they are developed. Thank you.
I think let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Bongile Jafta, originally from Kumbu. I work for Sanlam. I want to place on record that it's been an amazing day. They say it all starts with a why. I think I'm here because the why for me is an amazing why. The purpose for me is one that I resonate with, that Sanlam resonates with. And that's why I'm here today. But over and above that, I'm here. It's been a great day, great experience. As a golfer, it's been a great day. Good scores, good weather, good course. But also as an individual, great collaboration, great partnerships. We've met a couple of companies that we interacted with, and it's a bigger cause. We want to give a big shout out to GNF. They are doing an amazing job. They have a great purpose. They must just continue doing it. And as Sanlam, we wish to continue to partner with them in the great future to come. Thank you.
It's a tough day. The windy conditions for us, not so professional players, wasn't too kind. But we had a good day. I mean, the camaraderie on the golf course, lots of, I think it was a full field. And for a full field, it actually went quite quickly. So it was enjoyable. Camaraderie. First 9 not so nice, second 9 a bit better, but I think we suffered in the first 9, so we're definitely not amongst the prize winners.
All right, good day everyone. It's Mabele from ABSA. I'm the area head for private wealth banking, looking after the vast Eastern Cape. I enjoy my day with the Gcinabantu Foundation, driving a unique cause to support the underprivileged and making sure that we support the community at large. It was a beautiful initiative. It's beautiful to see all business owners across the country coming through to celebrate this beautiful initiative and pushing forward and paying it forward for the organization as well. So it's partnering with the Gcinabantu Foundation, ABSA, which is aligned to our values as an organization. So we felt that it is important to plow back as well and just extend our hand in supporting this initiative. Looking forward to 2026, and thank you for the beautiful experience coming from ABSA with love. Thank you.
Thank you very much to the association, or rather the foundation. This was a really pleasant, experience. Maybe just to start off, my name is Mathabe Mlilo from Maypac Financial Solutions. We're a financial services company, and we've had this partnership, in fact, since the launch last year with the Gcukayithobi, Foundation. And so this is something that we were delighted to take part in this year. We, different to last year. I think, of course, even the foundation itself, has learned quite a bit from last year's experiences. This was smooth. This was, just well connected, and it just flowed. we're all aligned, and as a business as well, I mean, investing into something like this, I really not only just took pleasure or found, you know, the experience necessary, but I think this is something that has to continue, you know, for generations to come. Of course, understanding what the foundation does and its mandate and the vision that they have, we share the same. And so yeah, we really appreciate the time, and we're definitely putting ourselves on the line right now and saying that we will be back next year. Please be on the lookout.
Good evening, I am Bulelwa Biko, Marketing and Sales Director of Gap Management. We were here to support the Gcukayithobi Foundation. I come from Gap Management, Property and Facility Management. Our main reason that we're here was basically to support the initiative and to basically work with them in the future and basically see what happens and on how we can future support with it. We are very proud to be part of this initiative, and we hopefully will be going on further with them in the future. We are happy to be here. It's been a very fantastic day, speaking and talking to everyone, and basically it's been amazing, and we are very thankful for them for inviting us to this day today. It's been a very wonderful experience. Thank you very much.